Hello my dear friends, in this video we will going to learn what is the change of entropy with respect to a compressible substance. So what is your compressible substance? It is like, what is your compressible substance? Compressible substance like liquid and solid. Like liquid and solids, right? So before that, I give you some recapitulation with respect to the previous video. What is that? We know that we know that TdS is equal to du plus pdv, and TdS is equal to dH minus vdp, right? And these two equation, what is the validity? These two equation for any process, and for any system, right? So if you calculate the entropy change, ds is equal to dH by t plus pdv by t, and ds is equal to, sorry, du, this is du, and ds equal to dH by t minus vdp by t. So the entropy change during the process can be determined by integrating either these equation. If you integrate it, this equation, no problem, and integration via reversible process, right, between the initial and final state. To perform this integration, when you perform this integration, why? Because if you find delta S, that means S2 minus S1, you must be integrated, and integration is only via path reversible. Once you integrate it, to perform the integration, however, we must be know a relationship between du or dH relation with temperature, such as what is that? Du is equal to cv dt and dH equal to cp dt, right? For what? For ideal gas. This is for ideal gas. Okay. and as well as the equation of the state for the substance, such as ideal gas equation, pv equal to r into 2. You have a knowledge it. Why? Because for ideal gas, if you change in entropy for an ideal gas, you have du relation with dH, du relation with temperature, dH relation with temperature, and this relation with respect to the ideal gas equation. So you have this equation, so you can integrate it and find the value of S2 minus S1 straightforward. But for the other substance, we have to go through with the table. Why? Because we don't have a knowledge about the what is the relation between du with respect to temperature and h with respect to temperature. So we have directly found according to the table provided in examination, or you have information about table. So the TdS relation for a non-simple system, that is the system involves more than one mode of quasi-equilibrium work, we can obtain in a similar manner by including all the relevant quasi-static equilibrium work mode, right? So we can integrate it. If you have a non-quasi equilibrium process, so you always put the value what is the work associated with that, and also we study directly according to the table provided with us for a non-ideal gas. Okay. So we talking a substance like incompressible, that means liquid and solid. So how can you calculate the change in entropy for incompressible substance? So for incompressible substance, dV is equal to 0, approximately dV is equal to 0 for liquid and solid, right? And also we know that Cp is equal to Cv is equal to C. This is constant we have knowledge about, and constant, and we know that du is, that means C into dt. If you integrate it, this is your fixed value constant. So if you integrate it, C come outside from the integration and you easily perform the integration. So we know that what is that, TdS is equal to du plus Pdv. But for incompressible substance, the change in volume is equal to 0. So what is that? What is du? C into dt. So ds you can write C dt by t. Now integration will be easy. So we integrate it via reversible. So this is your delta S is equal to integration 1 to 2 ds is equal to 1 to 2 C dt by t, and here C is the fixed value. So we can the C will come out from the integration 1 to 2 dt by t. So what is your delta S is equal to S2 minus S1, and what is C? This is your ln T2 by T1. So this is a change in entropy for incompressible substance like liquid and solid for incompressible substance. Right. Now, one note point here, that note. What is the note? If the process is isentropic, that means for system is incompressible and follow the isentropic process. If process, what is isentropic? If the process is isentropic, so if the process is isentropic, so there is no any entropy change, that means is equal to 0. So if this is equal to 0, so delta S is equal to C ln T2 by T1. So what is that? This is 0. So what is that? T1 equal to T2. See the beauty. That is constant. So that is, what is the comment here? Very important. That is the incompressible substance temperature remain constant during isentropic process. Reversible plus adiabatic. Right? So therefore, so we can say that the isentropic process of an incompressible substance is also isothermal. Right? So if there is a substance, let's suppose this is solid, and to find what is the change in entropy, so it's change in entropy for a solid, and a solid will perform a reversible adiabatic process. Solid will perform a reversible adiabatic process. A process perform a reversible adiabatic process, so its temperature never change. That means, therefore, what is that? Therefore, the incompressible of an isentropic process, the incompressible substance of an tropic process is also isothermal. Right? So this type of behavior is like solid and liquid. If and only if the solid and liquid will perform an isentropic process, so along with its entropy will fix, that means isentropic process, that means entropy will fix. S1 is equal to S2. When there is a solid or liquid will perform, there is no any change in entropy, so it is must that there is no any change in temperature, that means temperature must be constant. So if you want that a solid or liquid that have a fixed temperature after you adding heat or rejecting heat, that must follow as a isentropic process. So if you want that there is a substance like a incompressible, and we want that after energy transfer the substance remains same temperature, so the substance must follow as isentropic process. So what is that? The temperature is a truly incompressible substance remains constant during isentropic process. Therefore, isentropic process of an incompressible substance is also isothermal. Right? So this is a case for reversible and adiabatic of an incompressible substance. And what is the value of the entropy change? This is your entropy change. This is if there is a substance which have solid, so what is the entropy change? The substance specific heat, this is your specific heat at what pressure doesn't matter, ln T2 by T1. So if you calculate it, so there is an entropy change, but if the substance follow isentropic process, so its temperature will remain constant. So if incompressible substance has S1 is equal to S2, so it must T1 is equal to T2. This is keep in mind. Okay. In the next video, we will going to discuss some other case number 2 for an ideal gas. So my dear student, your lots of question asked in the gate previously. So keep in mind, this is for solid. Okay. Thank you.